Multiply 16 by 500 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 5. Start two places to the left. 5 times 6 is 30. Put 0 in this column and carry 3. 5 times 1 plus a carry 3 is 8. The third partial product is 8,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the thousands column, bring down 8. The whole negative number product is 8,000. So 16 times 500 is 8,000.